Hello Namibia, we are finally done with part 6. Thank you all for being patient. It was the best of times, the worst of times. Stumbles and fallings were its foundation. It requires courage and some motivation. So just for us to go through and finish it up.
So I was the dirty Kandeshi, the girl who comes to most so I said, okay, I want to see something quickly. So yeah, was ended and yet he helped up.
The experience behind the scenes was amazing, you know. I learned a lot though. Yeah, there are disadvantages and advantages that I really encountered throughout. The advantage was we really did our best throughout everything. We really had fun, and after all, you obviously I gained a lot of experience through that.
So we are hoping that you guys are loving part 6.
It was really fantastic. Everybody was cooperative. Sometimes we had to stress up here and there, but we were working together as a team. You had to fall and just stand up so you finish the work.
Now what are you capturing?
No, you're done.
They are done.
Yeah, you can capture it.
Shooting in Anana was a very good experience because I mean, man, this is where we started doing this thing, man.
Hello Namibia.
What's up, Namibia?
Hello my people. Hello world. Yeah, really.
Oh, Shasho.
Yeah.
We started shooting in Anana, so us coming back to Anana to shoot again, it was really a good experience because we missed the town, and when the people saw us shooting in town, they were very excited, and so many people were following us during that time.
When I had to run, Jesus.
The problem we had was just to tell people hey man, you are in frame, please can you move this side? Hey, hello, can you move aside? That was the kind of problem we experienced in Anana. A lot of people getting in frame, and it's not really nice.
I liked it. I really had fun on set.
It's like 1,000 something.
I met Jackie Pop in 2018. So to say, when I was a beginner, it's I started doing video filming. When I went to do this experience whereby they called experience Kinonamia. It was Kinonamia that year before, and now it turns into Kinonamibia. Yeah, you understand? So I met him there, and then from there we did a film together.
I think she stole my keys, man. She's trying to put me down.
You know, these ladies of nowadays, they just want to chop money.
Chop money?
Yeah, they just want to chop money.
Where did you hear that? You are not rich. So what we did, we actually cheated. It's actually a cheat. We show the exterior of Avani and the interior is Little Guest House. So now that you're seeing it together, us having incorporated it together, you guys think we actually did this thing in Avani. But yeah, after all, that was the idea, but I just want to break it to you guys that we did not actually do this thing in Avani. Those beds are not Avani beds, those are Little Guest House beds. I don't know if you guys find it funny or interesting.
I don't know. It's about the shoe situation where I'm oh, look at those shoes. what? How desperate you gotta be to want that money? That was not a nice shoe. Ugly is the shoe. But you know, Chimari was the money.
There was the part whereby we were shooting in a trolley and I had to fall and wound myself here. And it was just a simple thing. We had to crash here. I was complaining because the guys were behind the trolley and then they just let it fall. It was a mistake. And it was one of the mistakes that I really didn't come on terms with.
These guys, they are talented. These guys, they are from North, man. They are very good guys, man. Yeah, and I'm really happy to work with these guys. And I'll be working more videos with these guys to bring you guys good things.
Gents, there was a pattern where the guy is coming out from the bag and all of a sudden I have to look like I was astonished, so I had to run. You know this run. And the mere fact that you keep on making mistakes, people are making mistakes while you're doing your best. I had to go back again. I ran up probably maybe 8 times or 7 times. Not to even make it worse, like I had to go again behind the building and all stuff. But the rest, it was perfecto tormentos.
Jackie was like, oh Kandi, can you call PDK man? You know, call them and then ask them if we can use the song. I'm like, yeah, sharp. Wange. Dion. Daibi. Yeah. Now I'm wondering which Daibi's voice is a little different, but anyway. Yeah, we want to use the PD on the Halakurong man. What? I said I want to use the Dirty Kandeshi song for a video that I'm shooting with Jackie Pop. Okay. It's him now. Okay. And then I'm like, yeah, is it okay? He's like, yeah, it's okay, but the guy says, yeah, it's okay, but maybe you should call the guys who sang it. So I'm like, what? Is this not Dion? No. So it turned out I had dialed the wrong Dion. And then I called Patrick and it's like, yo, Uncle P, I want to use the song. So he's like, yeah, sure. Anyway, so that's how we ended up using the song.
We love you guys. Thank you for your cooperation. If you were part of the shoot, thank you for your cooperation.
Omunahambo Wange, episode 6. That's over at Jackie Pop's channel. Make sure to check him out. Amazing, funny things going on there.
Gracias. Ciao, ciao.
There's a lot of things that I cannot wrap up on, but yeah, just watch out for your boys on our Instagram, on Facebook and YouTube pages, and we are just there on the internet. You guys knows most where to find us. Sharp.
Watch out.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Siva vida de camariwa. Opa, pause. What do you say backflip, Amos? Oh, man. Yo, man. I'm number 1, bro. The only person I found here was him. Yeah. Just through here. Number 1. I'm the last one, man. Yeah. Number 1. Oh. Yes, yeah. What's the pin code again?
8833.
That's my baby.
8833.
Why are you crying again? What is the problem? What happened?
You on the call?
Yeah, I was.
Oh, you're a businesswoman. I'm a businessman.
There's nothing in the bag.
Ambulan jatuh.